Hi, glad you've made it. This Easter season, we're making some very simple Easter eggs. I'm starting out by making my own cold porcelain clay. I'm only using about a marble size here. A lot goes a long way, so the rest will probably stay lost in my fridge for the next couple years. Next, I'm adding some details to this egg, like some flower, stems, and leaves. I'm working on a craft foam pad here to give a little pushback and roundness to the clay when I try to shape it. My goal here is to give the egg a little bit of a raised surface so it adds definition when I try to foil it. If you want to know my favorite color, I'd have to say gold. My hobby is collecting more hobbies and owning more things. But my favorite part about making things is the sheer confusion that I see on some people's faces when I tell them I've made it. Maybe that goes to show just what type of sense of humor I have. One where I'll spend countless hours on a craft just so that I can have a small chuckle under my breath. Does that make me a masochist? I don't know, I'd have to see a therapist about that. All I know is the payoff is always worth it. So back to the egg. I'm making a whole bunch of elements for it. I'm making some little bulbs, some little flowers, some little leaves. I've gone ahead and colored and foiled them. We're getting close. Now for assembly. I'm super gluing all the elements to it, placing them wherever they feel right. This egg has so far taken me maybe over 30 hours. Truly a labor of love. Let's just relax and watch it come together at the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.